got exciting news from Evoke Townhomes in South Morang today. The construction of the townhomes opposite the park is in full swing, and we've also started the construction of the Evoke Park as well. Now selling our final 9 townhomes. These stunning 3-bedroom homes have unobstructed park views and everything that a young family needs. The Evoke Park is set to be completed by end of October, and the 9 townhomes opposite the park will be ready for occupancy in early 2025. Don't miss your chance to own one of these parkfront townhomes and call Evoke home. And join the standout community that is Evoke in South Morang.